To win, somebody's got to lose. I might